everybody, welcome to Bullsmart. I'm Nandita and today we are here to talk about a trending topic, that is Bob Iger's return to Walt Disney with a new plan. So today we have Mayank with us to discuss about this topic. How are you, Mayank?
I'm fine, Nandita. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yes. So, can you tell me about Bob Iger?
Sure. Bob Iger was the CEO of Walt Disney from 2005 to 2020. But afterwards, he left the organization, and again, in November 2022, he joined again as the CEO. He was saying that he wants to correct his biggest failure. And he has turned the animation studio of Disney into major media powerhouse, and he has also opened the first Disney park in China.
So, Mayank, what do you think about Iger's plan?
See, in India, Disney Plus Hotstar is having the good subscriber base, but previously the subscription amount was low. But afterwards, they have increased the subscription amount. That's why their subscriber growth was muted.
Maybe I guess he's chasing profits rather than chasing subscribers.
Yeah, kind of aggressive market.
Do you think 2 years is enough for Iger to do all this?
No, I don't think so, because whatever I have shared will take a lot of time. But we can't ignore that previously he has done many things in a very short span of time. So we just have to wait and check the Disney's growth.
I also heard this rumor where Iger is planning to sell Disney to Apple.
No, it is completely speculation. He has discussed all these things in his recent interviews. It is completely speculation.
When Bob Iger resigned in 2020, Chapek joined as a CEO of Walt Disney, right? So what are your opinions on that?
See, we can't criticize him completely, because when he joined as the CEO, the COVID-19 was its highest peak, and he has made many major changes in the company.
So, what are your final words on this discussion, Mayank?
See, according to me, Walt Disney is the best CEO for this organization, because he has started this company from the scratch and take it up to the highest peak.
It was awesome talking to you, Mayank, on this trending topic, and it's a very interesting topic. Don't miss out and subscribe to our channel Bullsmart Stock Academy. Thank you.